Good morning and welcome back, you guys. Today, and I think the next few days, we're gonna be working on trenching because I just called for a truck of concrete trucks, plural, to come out on Thursday or Friday. I haven't got an exact date yet, but got a bunch of rebar to do. Probably have to run into town and get some more CMU block, and I'm excited to get this done and just kind of out of the way. It's like I dread doing rebar and footers. There's just do not like anything about it whatsoever. Anyway, so we actually have some help. Joe's here right now. He's behind his truck over there. He's cutting rebar so we can put the J's up, and then we gotta, every 2 feet we gotta put those in. But I wanted to check on the chickens and the turkeys. Yesterday or last night, they're just like, it's like a battle royale inside the brooder inside our workshop. So I'm gonna go check them out. And then one of the turkeys got out. To give you an example, so the brooder is over there, and there was one standing, right there. I just saw one get out. Where did he go? Where did he go? He was like hovering and got out. I think it's time to put a lid on this thing. There's poop right there, so they're getting out for sure. Anyway, let me see if I can find them. I found one. Look. There's one back there. All right, so there was like that line going on the screen. I think it was the LED light, so I turned them off and opened the door. Anyways, came in here, there was a chicken flying. I've been worried about it for the last couple of days thinking they were getting out, and there's like poop on the ground and everything, so I just cut a little piece of chicken wire and put some 2x4s or little pieces of wood on top of it so they can't get out. We're like a couple days out from putting the chickens in their coop. We're actually getting shipped 25 meat chickens today. They should be here probably Wednesday. So I need to finish the garden and then put them in there before the other ones because I can't fit 25 more in there. It's a madhouse in there. Anyway, let's get to work. All right, so it's super hot. I feel like we complain about that all the time. We're sitting in the Can-Am right now. We're gonna go for a little ride. We're gonna find Larry because we're supposed to be pouring concrete in a few days. I don't know what the plan is, and I want him to check all this stuff out. So I gotta find him.
Make sure we're doing it all right.
Yeah, we just want to make sure. It's super important. The foundation is the most important thing. So we're just making sure that everything is good and that we're not wasting money pouring concrete for no reason or whatever. Let's go for a little pop. If everything was like perfect.
Yeah, but you can't put those in until there's concrete.
They're already wired in. Okay. See? There's like some, not all of them, maybe like 30 of them, 40 of them.
If you're gonna try to put block in.
Yeah. So we ended up finding Larry, figuring everything out about the forms. We're gonna pour Thursday or Friday. like I said earlier, depending on the concrete company. Anyway, we're about to eat dinner. See you guys tomorrow.
So, it's downpouring.
Good morning, guys. Up to a gorgeous day. Don't look like there's any clouds coming, maybe just some white ones, but last night the black clouds came and we were out eating dinner. As you saw in the video, it started pouring and we ate dinner in the rain. And then we went and jumped on the trampoline. It was fun. So an update on the trenching. I thought we were pouring concrete on Thursday or Friday, but actually it's gonna be Monday. I couldn't get a truck in time. And also, I have about 5 guys coming up here to help me because I'm going to be wet setting block as the concrete footers are going in. So we're gonna have the first row of block in the first day. Like, it'll be completely in there. And then I'm gonna go 4 block high, I think. But I only have 100 and, where's the block? I have like 150. I think I need 300 and some change, 320 or something like that for for 1 row. I need a lot more block, but I'm gonna go get that here in a couple days. Anyway, since the rebar is done, like it is completely done, I do have some of these J's up. I don't know if you see them, they're sticking up. I thought the best idea was to put them in and then the CMU block over them as it's going in. Turns out that's not the best idea. I'm just gonna lay all the J's on the side, and as we pour, put the block in, then we'll put the J's inside of it. So easier that way. I just got to run the lines all the way around so everything's nice and square. But anyway, so since that's done, I have an inspection tomorrow to get the footers and the rebar and all that inspected, which should be no problem. Everything should pass. And then we'll be good to go for Monday morning pour. So that's pretty much done. I have been working in the solar shed / pump house now. Like if you've already seen it, you've seen that we've already put the pump in and kind of plumbed up that. But now we are going to, here, just check it out. I've been working a little bit. I did this the other day, went up from here up to the pump, and then now I have from the inlet side all the way down to where it comes from the tanks. And there's a shut off, and that is all I can do right now because I'm out of pipe. That's all the pipe I have left. Pretty much this is going to be mounted on this 2x6, so I just need to get this pipe first so I can know where to mount it. And then from that side of this filter will come in to the inlet side right here, and it'll go through the filter, the carbon filter, and then the outlet come here. And I think I'm just gonna go and angle up this way and go against the wall and then go to the UV filter. Need to get some more pipe, can't do that right now. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be working on the LP lines. This is where the dryer's going, so I need to put a stub out on that, connected to the end of that flex line, go over here, and then I have what's left over. I'm gonna cut that, and then I have to put a hole through the wall and put the brass disconnect out there so I can hook up a propane tank. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I ended up buying this tube cutter so I'm able to cut these LP lines because they need to be very a nice cut so the seal's good, so that obviously it doesn't leak. That'd be bad. They only had one of these at the hardware store. I need one more. I need one on this side and on that side, since I need that one more because that's going to be outside. So as soon as I get that, they'll hook up the L paint tank. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is go cut that, stick that one on, but I got to drill a hole through the wall and stick it through and then put this on the outside. All right, so I have the brass T, the disconnect or the flange or whatever, and then I have this 1/2 inch shut off, so I need to put this on here. And then I also bought the pipe thread sealant, so I need to stick a little bit of that on these threads, and then I can put this on. From what I read, you just put a bead around the entire thing. So I got a bead. It's a pretty thick bead actually. All right, so I just stuck this on here, tighten it down, and some of that stuff's already coming out. It's oozing out. I put a little too much probably. And there it is. What I don't have, I think I need to go back to the hardware store. The prizes didn't come with it. Inside of this, there's supposed to be a little seal that goes in between this and this little flange inside here. One of these little it goes inside these grooves pretty much, and then it seals everything. I don't have it, of course. I gotta go in town anyways. All right, so I just put this 2x6, I cut it so that it stuck out because I wasn't sure what size siding we were gonna put on, so I just put this here, and then we can put the siding around it. We'll probably paint this black or white or whatever our siding is. So this is the LP fitting. It is not connected to the flex line yet. As I was saying, I still need to get fitting that goes here and swedges the line. The line is right here though, but that'll come out. You can see it. See the line sitting in there? So once I get the little collar that goes around that line, then I can swedge it on there. We are good to go as far as getting a tank. And then I just got the on and off switch. We just got back from town. We had to do laundry and things from the hardware store. It rained like crazy when we were gone. Much needed. Right now I'm in the garden. So we're getting 25 meat chickens tomorrow. And the 16 chickens, our hens, they're like almost 4 weeks old. So I need to finish this fencing. We just have this little bit left over that way. Finish that, and it's a couple gates, and then I feel more comfortable leaving these chickens here. I'm gonna put them in there tomorrow morning. Anyway, so I'm gonna finish doing that right now, and then we'll be good to go for when we get our meat birds tomorrow. That brooder cannot fit. I already have 4 turkeys, 16 chickens, and I have 25 more chickens. So that's 45. I don't think I can fit 45 in there. That's a lot. So I'm gonna finish the fence.